With an aim to achieve saturation of various welfare programs launched by the Government of India, the urban campaign of Vikasit Bharat Sankalp Yatra was held in Tura today. On the occasion, a pledge was also administered to the participants. Under the campaign, a specially designed IEC van reached Tura and created awareness to the general public about various developmental initiatives taken by the Government of India for the state.
Even after decades of independence, Meghalaya's poor could only dream of mothers and sisters.
The journey is called Vikasit Sankalp Yatra for everybody, for the developed nation. Now in this van you would see a lot of films being displayed, a lot of Prime Minister schemes that are available that you can avail. We will have in all the districts of Garo Hills. Our motive is to just reach all the people and make sure that every citizen of this district gets all the availabilities and all the rights that they have properly to them. It is because it is for the people and for the nation, and so that we would be developed.
Joining the rest of India, Meghalaya BJP organized